Hi everyone, this is Annie Laoshi and welcome to my YouTube channel, Mandarin Time with Annie Laoshi. These are the materials that we're going to use for our arts and craft activity. This is 剪刀, 剪刀. This is 毛线, 毛线. This is 直筒, 直筒. This is 双面胶, 双面胶. Are you excited to do the arts and craft now? Just like you, I am excited as well. So let's see, what are we going to do next? Before we go to our arts and craft activity, let's get some 双面胶, just like this. And we're going to stick it on our 直筒, 直筒. And let's peel the 双面胶. And we'll put the excess 双面胶 on this side. And let's stick it together just like this. We go press it so that it will stick together just like this. And let's take a look. Ta-da! This is our 望远镜. For this one, I chose this color. Do you still remember what color is this? This is 粉红色. You need to measure it on your neck. Just the enough length that you need to use. And just using our pair of 剪刀, you can cut it when you think it's enough already. I think this one is enough, and let's cut slowly, and we're gonna stick it on our 望远镜. After I'm done sticking the 直筒 together, it will look something just like this, which looks like our 望远镜, our binoculars. You can put paint on it to put colors, or you can even use glue and stick something on it. But for today, I'm gonna make it simpler. I'm gonna use something just like this. Ta-da! Yes, for today, I'm going to choose stickers so that it would be easy to make our own binoculars. So you can get your shoji just like this, and we can peel like this, and we can stick it on our 望远镜 just like this. And use our shoji. 点点点点点点. Shall we get some more? Do you know what shape is this? This is sing sing. Sing sing. Let's get one more sing sing. Just like this, slowly. And let's stick it on this side. Let's use our shoji. 点点点点点点. And I can get as much sing sing as I want to. Let me put some more. Maybe we can put this one. And stick it on this side. Let's use our shoji. 点点点. And let's get some more. What shape is this again? This is sing sing. Sing sing. And let's stick it on this side. We go 点点点. And let's get some more. Sing sing. Sing sing. And we'll stick it on this side. And you can put as much sing sing as you like. You can choose whatever sticker that you would like to put on your 直筒 and stick as many as you like. You can still put designs on it by putting more colors or by drawing something on it. You don't really need to copy the exact design that I'm doing right now, because this only serves as your guide, and you actually have all the freedom to design it the way that you want it to be. If you like this kind of activity, you can check out the other videos of my arts and craft activity. And also, you can also label it by writing your name on your 望远镜. This is our arts and craft for today. What is it again? 望远镜. I'm almost done with sticking sing sing on my 望远镜. I think this can be the last piece, and I can stick it on this side. We go 点点点, and let's take a look. Wow! Dun, 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 dun. It is my lovely 望远镜. Look. Dun, 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 dun. This is our 望远镜. How about let me put the stars here? There. Can you look for the sing sing? It's over there. There's the sing sing. And now we can put something on this side so that we can hang it on our neck. We can now get the 毛线 that we cut, and let's put it here. I don't have tape right now, so I'm just gonna use 双面胶 to stick it here inside to hold it, just like this. There. So that you can hang it on your neck. And let's get the other end and let's stick it on this side as well. And let me get 双面胶, and we're gonna stick it on that side. It would be easier if you're gonna use tape for this one. That would be way easier than using 双面胶, just like the one I'm doing right now. There you go. Alright. And ta-da! Look! And there is your 望远镜. 望远镜. Dun dun. Dun 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 dun. You can use this 望远镜 and you can put it on your eyes, your 眼睛. And let's pretend that you're looking for something very far away from here. There you go. This is our 望远镜. 望远镜. Thank you again for watching this video. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit a thumbs up for us. And if you want to share your thoughts, just leave it on our comment section. You can also click subscribe for more upcoming videos. This has been Annie 老师, and I'll see you again next time. Bye everyone! 再见大家!